Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Sure. My name is Vusi, the founder of Zakwethu Appliences SA. So, what Zakwethu is like we are a home and kitchen appliance brand based in Tembisa. So the whole vision behind it is that in 2020, when we went into COVID, people started realizing and started becoming more conscious of their living spaces. And that's where I got the idea of actually forming my own brand of appliances. And then we've got our first product that we've produced. It's gonna come in different colors, different colorways, black, white, grays, black. And in the future, the vision for the company is to go further into the appliance space, go into kettles, toasters, blenders, your air fryers, but that's the vision for the company. That's our 5-year vision. How you can get a hold of me is through Zakwethu Appliances SA on Instagram and Twitter, and then my own personal social media is Mabona_V, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hi, my name is Vusi Mabona, and I am a township entrepreneur.